looks like a way to, but I don't know if it's the one. Can you imagine? I'm lost. This is not where I'm supposed to pass. Like, if you don't come here often, you are going to lost. So I'm here in one euro shop. I'm going to get this. I came because of this 60-80 cents. But here is fish area. Sit down, octopus. Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing fine. If you are new to my channel, my name is Temi and you are welcome to Temi Best Food Family. Yeah, for my Mr. Subscribers, I say welcome back once again. Thanks for sharing my videos. I really appreciate it. So I'm here in my big city. I'm here to buy some stuff. So I'm going to carry you guys along with me. Like, this place is so big. Hope I look cute. I don't know. I made this set myself yesterday, so let's go. See bags. Oh my god. I don't used to come here every time unless I have something to do. Because from my city to here, it's like 1 hour with bus. Yeah, so I don't used to come here often. I came here to show you guys what this place looks like and to use the opportunity to buy some meat. So let us go. All this African stuff. See this okra. This thing looks like a wedu, but I don't know if it's the one. I think this okra is so beautiful. It's so beautiful, but let me check if it's good. I'm trying to shop for some okras. Because this okra is so beautiful. See this tatashe. I'm not going because of this. So 12 euro for 1 kilo. You don't know that we have dry tatashe here. This will be one look like a locust baby. No be. 5 euro 50 cents. We're hungry. It's been long I came here, so I don't know where we used to buy all this shanky, something like that. I'm still trying to find the place, but I really don't remember. I'm telling you, it's been long I came here. Yeah, like some years ago. I'm trying to locate the place, but I don't know. Oh my gosh, can I get the place now? Let's see. Here is fish area. Sit down, octopus, fish. See this one, 25 euro. Look at this big fish. And see this crab roll. You see black spaghetti. Before I find this place, I have to have something. So thank God I found the place. This is my hair. Like I don't like this hair. This is just doing gong. I try, yeah. I just want to look different. Yeah, so I'm going to buy 2 kilo of shake and 2 kilo of ring. Yeah, I'm not buying all these biscuits, but okay. No, so okay. Can you imagine? I'm lost. This is not where I'm supposed to pass. Like, if you don't come here often, you are going to lost. So I'm going back now. I'm trying to find my way back. Yeah, so I don't know where I am now. Hi, tell me, you don't lost. I'm lost. Like these people are so nice. As they are seeing me hold the camera, they know that I'm filming. They were like, "Are you going to do TikTok? Are you filming for Chai?" Huh? Oh my god, these people are so nice. Like they are so nice. I think I found my way, right? Yeah, I find my way. They are so nice. They are saying hi, hi, hi. Like they just want to be in camera. Oh my god. I'm so happy. It's not like my sister when you are filming, they will be like, what is she doing? Ciao. Ciao.
Ciao Bella.
Ciao. I love them. Yeah, they're so nice and friendly. When you are filming my city, they'll be looking at you like, are you filming me or what are you doing? They are so nice. I feel like I'll be coming here to come and video for you guys because they are nice, they are friendly, they just want to be in your videos. So I'm here in One Hero shop. I'm trying to get this rubber, to be putting food in my freezer. So I'm going to get one or two stuff. I will show you guys when I get some, definitely. I'm home. This is after 2 hours. I've get home. Like I'm so tired, but I need to do many stuff. I need to put everything in order. I need to cook. I don't have any food in my fridge, so I'm just trying. I want to cook. Let's see. But first of all, let me show you guys what I got from the market. Yeah, so let us go. This face looks so stressful, so let's go. Let me show you guys this way. So I got this ring for 10 euro and this meat for 15 euros something. I got this for 15 euros something. It's meat. Then I got 2 kilos of shake. This is the okra. I love this okra. It's so fresh. This is best okra for me. Okay, so I went to our African store here. I got this no Maggi, and I got this pound for 16 euros. How much? For 16 euro. Yeah. This is for my vegetable soup. I got for 8 euro. So vegetable, and I got this 6 fish. So I used to go to One Hero store, like where they are selling 99 cents something, 99 cents stuff. I say 99 cents. So I got this for my salt. I bought this for my Maggi, and I got this rubbers for food preservation. Is that correct? So I got it for 99 cents. So I'll be putting my soup there, then I can save it inside my freezer. So I spent 98 euro something cent for all this stuff. Yeah, I'm so happy that you can get meat. So I'm going to try to cook. Is either I cook vegetable or I prepare egusi or okra. Let me see if I can cook the two together. Let's see.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay here, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay, I would stay here forever.
If I'm done cooking, I'm so sorry that I cannot carry gas. I'm not with me. I will just do everything. Like I just need to do this, then I should go and relax myself. So if I say I should film, I'm just going to film rubbish. So I decided not to film. I'm so sorry, but I'm going to pack what I cook now. I will show you guys what I prepare. I tried to cook okra and egusi soup. So next time I'm going to prepare ogbono and vegetable. But right now, your baby is so tired. So let me show you guys what I cook. So this is my egusi soup. I'm going to transfer it to all this bowl. Let me see if this bowl will be enough. So this is my okra soup. I prepared 2 plates of this okra. Don't mind my voice is too tired. So I'm going to transfer this egusi soup now. I'm going to transfer it inside of this bowl. Now this egusi is giving. Can you help me to find pounded yam? Okay. Don't bring that here.
No, I'll leave it.
So these are the things I prepared today. All these 3 are egusi soup and this is okra soup. So maybe next time or tomorrow or next tomorrow I would like to prepare my ogbono and vegetable. If you think you want to learn how to cook this, I'll put the link in my description because I've already made a video on how to prepare egusi and ogbono. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for coming once again. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Please guys, help me to share my videos. I really appreciate for those that are sharing my videos. I say thank you so much and God bless you. Please and please help me to share my videos. Please let it get to some people. I beg you, please. It's not easy to create content. Please help me to share my videos. So I'm sweating. Look, like I'm sweating. I'm so tired. So see you guys on my next video and remain blessed. Bye.